Starting early in any age is advantageous, and when it comes to health, if one pays enough attention to his or her health at a young age, then they can perform and score better during stress. Yoga and Pilates are two different but very effective form of exercises, and these exercises improve body flexibility, enhances muscular strength, relaxes the mind and keeps the body in shape. It is very important that schools make their students understand the importance of physical fitness at an early age. I was lucky enough to receive formal physical training in my initial years, which I eventually turned into my profession. It is schools like Orchids that encourage and give physical priority in their scheme of things. Nutrition plays a very important role when it comes to overall well-being. I believe schools should give adequate importance to nutrition, and I'm extremely happy to know that Orchids The International School is one such school where they have customized health and nutrition plans for each of its students. So then get going and be a part of ever-growing family of Orchids The International School.